Look at that, man. Straight up chicken gizzard.
Alright y'all, welcome back. Just a quick little video on how to make the chicken gizzard tacos the Mr.Ssippi way, you heard me? Alright y'all, you know we working with them onions, but the key is, what I didn't show in the video, that I had already cut the chicken gizzards into the size and I boiled them for about 2.5 hours in a nice, you know what I'm saying, seasoned stock. That's the key. Boiling them first. They're guaranteed to be tender. Oh yes indeed. Alright y'all, at this point right here, it really didn't need much seasoning. I just did something to marry them with the onion so they can, you know, work together. So this right here was just balancing everything out. Because when you season them in that stock and you boil them, they work all the way through them, you know. And right now, instead of putting the cilantro at the end, I put them in right here, you know, working them all together. Some might say this the wrong way, but trust me, everything gonna come together the way it's supposed to. You heard me? See y'all, I told you that thing was gonna come together. We had to trust the process. Look at that, man. And tell me when you seen some gizzards to cook like that, man. Ain't it, man? And there you have it, y'all. Chicken gizzard tacos. Yes, indeed. Got a little homemade salsa right there. Some fresh lime right there. Man, they looking righteous, ain't it, man? Alright, y'all. I just showed you the way. Even put some yellow rice right there on the side. Now tell me how you love that. The Mr.Ssippi way, you dig? Y'all enjoy. I know I am.
Look at that, man. Straight up chicken gizzard. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full, y'all. We gone.